What's the question?
What do you think about Bruce Jenner and his sex change to a woman?
Well, teach his own.
Yeah.
Yeah,
All
I
I
feel
say.
sorry for him. He had
So do I.
To
It's
me,
go-
it feels a tortured life all those years, 25 years he was married.
Do you think
And
Chris
then he
knew?
was an athlete. He
Yes,
had
I think
to
she
hold
knew.
it all in all those years.
How could you not know?
He
Well, I
must
Married
don't
have
that
know.
known
person for so
somewhere.
long. He must have left something out or did something funny
Yeah.
that, how come that's out, you know? I have no idea.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, but I feel sorry for him actually, living a
Yeah.
lie.
If he puts out a clothing line, do you think he'd buy some of his stuff?
No, thank you.
Well, you never know. It might be nice.
Well, it might be, but
Not
You're
for me.
still-
I would
Similar
associate.
ages.
I would associate that with his change. I don't know. It's just,
Yeah.
to me, it'd be more masculine, his clothing, maybe. I don't know. You'd think that
No,
because he was a
I
man.
think he's going to
but-
go all the way.
You think so?
Yeah. Gowns and dresses. I bet you he'll design everything
Well,
for the
he's certainly
Kardashians.
thin enough. You know, I mean, he's
Yeah.
got a skinny
could pull it
figure.
off,
He could
right?
probably pull it off. And he has
Yeah.
a face, a bit of a
Yeah.
feminine face, too, you know.
Right.
But
Hmm.
I wish him well. But, you know, living all those years, I mean, what is
He's
his
gonna-
ex-wife
He's going to
think?
tell his story. When is he going to tell the story?
Yeah, I don't know. It's going to happen,
Yeah.
though.
You know,
He'll
just
be
get more
interviewed
money
by all
here,
the-
got his transition, and he was going to have to make money.
Oprah will probably get a hold of him.
I
Yeah,
heard Diane
probably.
somewhere.
And Diane Sawyer
Yeah.
too.
Right.
Mhm.